एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम हिमानी। कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। सो दिस इज़ माय वीकली हॉरोस्कोप फॉर अनदर वीक। एज यू नो, जुलाई हैज़ स्टार्टेड, सो लेट्स सी द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ जुलाई कैसी है एंड हाउ दिस वीक इज़ गोइंग टू बी फ्रॉम 6th to 12th of July. So these readings are as per your moon sign. So if you are unable to know your moon sign, और आपको अगर नहीं पता एंड यू डोंट नो योर टाइम और प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ जिससे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, तो आप ये रीडिंग नॉर्मल वेस्टर्न ज़ोडिएक साइन के साथ भी देख सकते हैं, जिसके साथ भी आप रेजोनेट हो। ये जनरल रीडिंग है, बट मैं बहुत प्यार से इस रीडिंग को ध्यान करके बनाती हूँ, तो आप फेथ रखिए। आई एम श्योर यू विल डेफिनेटली रेजोनेट विथ योर कार्ड्स। स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, सो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, press the bell icon and share this video with your family and friends so that they can also take these readings and get themselves motivated and plan their week. Also, bell icon अगर press करेंगे, so you will get the notification of my new videos as soon as I upload. I will put down description of all the zodiac signs so you can check the timeline as per your zodiac and enjoy the reading. Also, my personal email ID will be there. You can email me, reach out to me for any personalized assistance. In my YouTube channel, there is my social media handles. You can always reach out to me through my Facebook, my Instagram ID, Twitter, and you can see the reels and guidances there as well. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट जोडियक साइन है एरीज, मेष राशि। चलिए देखते हैं मेष राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, सो एरीज आपके लिए कार्ड आया है अवेकनिंग। तो चेंज द वे यू आर लुकिंग एट द सिचुएशन। तो आप जो भी सिचुएशन जिस भी वे से देख रहे हैं, आप उसको चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि कई बार अगर हम अपना माइंडसेट चेंज कर लेते हैं तो वो सिचुएशन हमें डिफरेंट लगता है। सो दैट इज़ व्हाट दिस कार्ड इज टेलिंग यू। चेंज योर way that you are looking at the situation. Embrace your uniqueness. आप अपने आप में यूनिक हो, दूसरों के साथ कंपेयर मत करो, अपनी यूनिकनेस को embrace करो। Embrace your uniqueness. Also, there is a temporary pause in the action. Go with the flow, don't rush out things. तो इसीलिए यूनिवर्स ने पॉज किया है आपको, ताकि आप इवैल्यूएट कर सको कि आपको किस तरीके से क्या सिचुएशन को हैंडल करना है। सो दैट इज़ वाई देयर इज़ अ टेम्परेरी पॉज इन द एक्शन। मेडिटेट, थिंक क्लियरली एंड देन प्लान द सिचुएशन और प्लान द एक्शन। सो अभी के लिए इट्स अ टेम्परेरी पॉज फॉर यू। ऑल द बेस्ट एरीज। चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, दैट इज टॉरस। लेट्स सी टॉरस के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, सो टॉरस फॉर यू द कार्ड इज 7 ऑफ समर, विच मीन्स नो मोर प्रोकास्टिनेशन। आज का काम कल पे, कल का काम परसों पे मत करिए। इट इज़ नॉट द राइट थिंग। सो नो मोर प्रोकास्टिनेटिंग। योर पावर कम्स फ्रॉम मेकिंग अ डिसीजन। तो डिसीजन इसी समय लो, सोच समझ के लो, बट इसी समय लो, कल पे मत छोड़ो। ऑल्सो कन्फ्यूजन अराइजेज वेन वी ओवर एनालाइज द ऑप्शंस। अच्छा ये ऐसे होगा, अगर ऐसे नहीं हुआ तो ऐसे होगा, ऐसे करेंगे तो ऐसे होगा। सो डोंट ओवर एनालाइज द options because it will create more confusions in your life. So just evaluate, think and then take the decision or choose the right option. अगर आप ज़्यादा एनालाइज करोगे तो कन्फ्यूजन क्रिएट होगा एंड देन यू विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग, और आप कुछ कर नहीं पाओगे। तो इट्स बेटर टू नॉट टू ओवर एनालाइज द सिचुएशंस और ऑप्शंस। टेक द डिसीजन विथ थॉरो इवैल्यूएशन एंड डोंट प्रोकास्टिनेशन। ऑल द बेस्ट टॉरस। चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन, दैट इज जेमिनाई। मिथुन राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है देखते हैं। ओके, so Gemini, for you the card is ego. This card tells you don't run around things which is not serving any purpose. You are trapped in illusion, you know, अच्छी चीज़ों की illusions, you know, dreams, fantasies और मटीरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स, आप वो चीज़ों में जा रहे हो जो आपको कोई पर्पस हल नहीं करेगी, ओनली विल मेक यू टू मच ऑफ फियर ऑफ लूजिंग और वरी। तो जो चीज़ें, जो सिचुएशंस आपके लिए नहीं है, उनके पीछे भागना नहीं चाहिए। तो दैट इज़ व्हाट यू आर being illusioned, or you are being trapped on situations which is not meant for you, which is not serving any purpose for you. You are giving too much importance to that situation, and which is making you fear, which is making you worry. So that's the guidance of the card, is do not give too much importance of things or material items which is not serving any purpose to you. You are being trapped with the illusion, so come out of that illusion. All the best, Gemini. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, कैंसर। देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस है फॉर द कैंसर। ओके, कैंसर, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 9 ऑफ विंटर, which means you are focusing on unfounded fears. You are holding on past fears, which is making you worry, which is not letting you to move forward, and you are thinking too much about the problems, and fear कि आपने ऐसा किया था जिसकी वजह से आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हो. So just remove these unfounded fears and move on. Listen to your intuition. Don't let worries grow in your mind, which will cause more problems in your life. As you are more focusing on the worst situation, focus on things which makes you happy, and come out of that unfounded fears. Otherwise worry will grow in your mind and you will land into depression. So that card warning you not to allow worries grow in your mind, not think about too much of problems, unfounded fears. Just learn from them and move on, Cancer. All the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन, दैट इज लियो। देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस है लियो के लिए। ओके, सो लियो, आपके लिए कार्ड है जस्टिस. सो जस्टिस इज ऑलवेज टेलिंग यू, rest assured justice is granted to you. If you are fighting any legal battles, you will win in the end. It is what justice is granted. You will definitely win in the end. Make fair and objective decisions, whether it is for yourself or your team, because ultimately you will be responsible for the decision. So make sure you take the right decision, benefit for all. So it should be fair and objective decisions. Don't go, biased or think about one person, otherwise you will land into trouble. Also review your past things carefully, because justice always gives you the reward or punishment as per your deeds. So you have to review each and every time things which you have done very carefully, because you will get the reward or punishment as per your deeds this week, Leo. So make sure you do right things, and it also indicates court marriage if you are single. So all the best, Leo. चलिए मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन, दैट इज़ वर्गो, कन्या राशि. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ द गाइडेंस फॉर वर्गो. So Virgo, for you the card is Queen of Summer, which means this week you are very caring, you are nurturing, you are very comforting, very emotional this week. Also, this is the time where you should listen to your heart. Whatever decisions you want to make or whatever things you want to do, just listen to your heart. Also, trust your intuitions, trust your instincts. Whatever your instinct says, whatever universe signals you are seeing, trust your instincts and then take the decision. You are on the right path if you think based on your instinct, and if you listen to your heart. This week you might be taking care of people too much, which is not required. You have to take care of yourself also, because taking care of others is good, but not at the cost of your health. You have to look at your health as well. don't take care of others too much and ignoring your health. So your health is equally important. So keep these things in mind, listen to your heart, believe your instincts, institutions, you should trust them, and take care of others but not too much. I know you are very comforting and loving, but you have to take care of yourself as well. So all the best, Virgo. Chaliye, let us move on to Libra, the next zodiac sign. Let's see the card. Let's see the guidance. Okay. So, Libra, for you, the card is Queen of Spring, which means you are very talented, you are very friendly, people look up to you, you are very brilliant and loyal as a friend or loyal in relationship. So, people can trust you. Also, you have to believe in yourself. There are people around who wants to help you in your endeavor. If you are a businesswoman or you want to start a business or you are working somewhere, you have to believe in yourself, and there are people who are ready to help you. So trust those people around. Maintain a balance between your work and home life, which is very important as a person, because maintaining balance in home and work front will definitely reach you to success. So that is always necessary to maintain the balance between your work and your home life, and you have to trust people around. All the best, Libra. Chaliye, let us move on to Scorpio, Vrishchik Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is Three of Summer, which means you might receive news which is worth celebrating. Maybe your friend is getting married, or you might get a proposal from someone for marriage which is worth celebrating. So every moment of life we need to enjoy, every moment is worth celebrating. You might go for a friend's wedding, or you might go for friend's baby shower, so you have a worth celebrating, or you have achieved success in your workplace, promotion which you want to celebrate. Also, there might be announcements which I have telling you: wedding, graduation ceremony, friends you cherish. So it's overall a party time, Scorpio. Enjoy with your family and friends, pajama party, or birthday party, wedding anniversary, wedding. So you have friends to cherish. So enjoy each and every moment, Scorpio. All the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक साइन पे चलते हैं, दैट इज सैजिटेरियन. चलिए देखते हैं क्या कार्ड है सैजिटेरियंस के लिए. ओके, सैजिटेरियंस, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज सिक्स ऑफ विंटर, विच मीन्स positive changes are coming your way. If you have faced challenges last week, obstacles last week, rest assured the troubled times are going to get over, and a welcome relief is coming your way. Positive changes are on your way. So be peaceful, rest assured things will going to be fine. Also, you are facing challenges in your workplace, or you are giving interviews. It's time to relocate, it's time to move on to different city. Maybe different city, different place will give you new perspective, new goals, and it will help you to grow. I know moving to different city, you are having fears in your mind, in your heart. Rest assured, this is the right time to relocate or to move to different city for your own happiness. Or you might be traveling as a leisure trip, or you need a break from your challenging time to go to a calm place and enjoy your vacation. Also, if you are changing your profile from one profile to another, there is a transition period which will be smooth and very easily done, and it will be very joyful transition. So all the best, Sagittarians. Chaliye next zodiac, Capricorn. Let's find out what is the card for Capricorn. Okay, so Capricorns, for you the card is Four of Summer, which means you are being distracting and failing to see magical opportunities. I don't know, I feel you are distracted, you are feeling disheartened, and that is causing you not to see magical opportunities. You are distracted. Please don't get distracted and see the magical opportunities. I feel you are discontent with life. You are not happy with your life. That is not letting you to see the magical opportunities. So be happy whatever God has given you, whatever universe has given you. So you have to be contented with your life. Don't be discontented with life. Also, you might be taking someone or something for granted, which is also not right. You should not take someone for granted or something from for granted. When it is taken from you, you will feel disheartened, disappointment. So we should not take someone for granted. So all the best, Capricorn. Take this guidance in mind. Let us move on to Aquarius. So let's see what is the guidance for Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card is King of Spring, which means this week you are very innovative, you are innovating new ideas, you are very wise and you are very inspiring to others. You might have a financial windfall. Maybe your stuck money is going to get back to you. Somebody has taken money from you, will return back your money, or your policies or FDs are matured. So you will have a financial windfall. Your leadership skills are needed now, so make use of it. Your team is looking forward for your leadership skills. They feel you are very inspiring for them, so your leadership skills are required by your team, so make use of it. Also, you might be working on some NGOs or some cause, so you might receive an unexpected supporter for your cause, which is a good news for you, Aquarius. So just be happy, and definitely your cause will be supported by someone. So all the best. Now let us move on to the last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Pisces, for you the card is Strength, which means the grace and inner strength needed to overcome challenges. So you need inner strength, and you need to be strong to face and overcome any challenges of life. So inner strength required. The power of kindness and forgiveness is required. So it is the time to forgive people who have hurted you, and you have to be kind to others. Forgive those and move on. It is the time to embrace yourself, how wonderful you are. So definitely embrace yourself. You are good enough, you are very kind, you are very joyful person, so embrace yourself. All the best, Pisces. And thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope this week's horoscope will definitely make you happy and guide you to the right path. Till then, take care. Bye bye.